So today I'm going to share my little knowledge of types of fruits and their parts with you all. Now what is true fruit and what is false fruit? True fruit is a fruit that is formed from the fertilized ovary of the flower and ovules get transformed into seeds. Example: mulberry, fig, pineapple, grapes, etc. I know you must be quite familiar with what is true fruit and you must have eaten them also. Now come to false fruit. What is false fruit? False fruit arises from other polar parts other than the ovary. Now what does this line mean? You must have learned that reproduction takes place in ovary, but in the case of false fruit, reproduction does not take place from the ovary but any part other than the ovary. It could be floral parts as mentioned or any other part but not the ovary. Now what are the examples? Examples as mentioned are apple, pineapple, banana. So you must have read about apple. In the case of apple, apple does not grow from the ovary but instead it grows from the thalamus. Now I am going to show you a diagram in which will make you clear about what is true fruit and what is false fruit. In this diagram you can see on the left hand side there is a mango which is indeed a true fruit. It shows its seed which is actually a developed ovule if you remember. And you can see also epicarp which is indeed a ovary wall. You can also see the three parts of fruit which you will learn later in this video only. Now in the right hand side you can see a false fruit which is actually apple which we have learned before only. So it shows the labeled parts. Now I think you are quite clear with what is true fruit and what is false fruit. Now I am going to show you the parts of fruit. Now these are the parts of fruit. These are labeled to make you quite betterly understand about what the parts of fruit. First is endosperm. You must be remembering this word. You have learned them in double fertilization. Second is embryo. Embryo, as you all know, the fusion of male gamete with female gamete results in the formation of embryo. Now third is seed coat. As you know, seed coat protects the seed. Seed, as you know, seed all seeds is a developed ovule. And fifth you come to endocarp. What is endocarp? Endocarp is the innermost part of the fruit which indeed protects the seed. Mesocarp is the edible part which we eat of a fruit. Exocarp used to protect the food, like acts like outermost layer, and together these three parts are called pericarp. Endocarp, mesocarp, exocarp together are called pericarp. Now I will make you understand by one more example of a fruit which keeps the doctor away. Now you must be guessing what's the fruit. The fruit is apple. So in this also we will learn what is endocarp, what is exocarp, and what is mesocarp. As you can see, the peach color portion, mesocarp of pulp is written. This is the edible part which we used to eat. Now in the middle you can see seeds or pip. These are the seeds present in apple. You must have seen. In the upper you can see stalk and in the lower you can see calyx, stamen, and every part which is present in the flower also. Exocarp you can see skin. Endocarp you can see core which protects the seed as I have told you, and stamen and calyx as you can see. So thank you for watching.